Hello everyone, welcome to our course Grade 10, Unit 9, News from Belarus. Lesson 2, Around Belarus. Today we're going to speak about our motherland. Key facts. Belarus is a landlocked country in the northeast of Europe. The official name of our country is the Republic of Belarus. The President of Belarus is Alexander Lukashenko, and the Prime Minister is Sergei Rumas. Let's look at our symbols. There is a flag and our symbol. So they are really very beautiful. And the state anthem of our republic was written by Nestor Sokolovsky and Mikhail Klimkovich with Vladimir Koryzna. The words of the state anthem reflect development of the Republic of Belarus as a sovereign and peace-loving country. They emphasize patriotism and diligence of the nation, brotherly relations between all nationalities that live in our country. Let's look through other key facts. The total area of our country is more than 200,000 square kilometers. The population of our country is more than 9.4 million people. The capital of our country is Belarus. There are more than 2 million people live there. There are 6 regions in our country, and they are called oblasts. So we have Brest Oblast, Vitebsk Oblast, Gomin Oblast, Grodno Oblast, Mogilov Oblast, and Minsk Oblast. So the main cities are Brest, Vitebsk, Gomin, Grodno, Mogilov, and of course our capital Minsk. There are a lot of people who live in our country, and among them Belarusians, Russian, Polish, Ukrainian, Jewish, and other nationalities also live in our country. The official languages of our country are Belarusian and Russian. The national holiday in Belarus is Independence Day, which is celebrated on the 3rd of July. Our currency is Belarusian ruble. When we speak about economy, so we should first of all remember about our factories and of course about export and import. The main business partners of Belarus are Russia, Ukraine, the United Kingdom, Germany, the Netherlands, Poland, Lithuania, Kazakhstan, Brazil, Latvia, China, Poland, Turkey, Italy, the United States, Lithuania, France, and other countries. When we are talking about industries, we must remember about our tractors, mechanical engineering, cars, machine tools, object mechanical industry, chemical and petrochemical industry, light industry, food industry, and of course our country is famous for its agriculture. We know that our country specializes in grain, potatoes, vegetables, sugar beet, flax, meat and dairy industry. When we're talking about natural resources, of course we must remember about our woods, peat, potash and rock salts, small oil and natural gas fields, granite, dolomite, limestone, clay and sand. When we're talking about transportation, we should remember that there are a lot of railways and highways which cross our country. Of course, we have oil pipelines and gas pipelines that transfer gas and oil from Russia to Europe. Of course, our country is famous for its architecture. There are a lot of beautiful historical buildings in each city of our country, and there are a lot of famous picturesque places in our country. There are a lot of famous Belarusians live and lived in our country. Our country is famous for Efrosinya Polotskaya, Жора Салферов, Дарья Домрачева, Anton Kushnir, and other famous people. Our country is not just famous for its sport, but in literature, in physics, mathematics, art, and there are a lot of people who we can be proud of. Of course, I've told you a brief information about our country, but if you want to know more, please visit our website belarus.by. Here you can find a lot of interesting information about our country on different spheres. And what I must admit, that not just Belarusians live in our country. There are a lot of tourists come each year and visit our country, especially today when we don't need any visas for traveling. And of course, some people stay and live here. And in your textbooks, you can find a really very interesting information about one person. Please, let's listen and do some exercises. And have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.